This video will show you how to replace the SIM card tray of your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad X1 Yoga Gen 6 and Gen 7. You will need a paperclip and 5 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. Disconnect the power adapter. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Insert a paperclip into the hole on the SIM card tray. Remove the tray from the slot. Insert the SIM card tray into its slot on the side of the system. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.